Can you guess what percentage of India's installed power capacity do you think is derived from renewable energy? Go on, guess. Do you think it's 10%, 20%, 25%? Well, it's actually a whopping 46% of the total power capacity. In fact, we recently crossed the 200 GW milestone and we are on track to achieve 500 GW by 2030 as per the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. And one of the companies that will have a part to play in achieving that target is a large public sector undertaking, NTPC Green Energy Limited, which is all set to release its Rs 10,000 crore IPO on 19th November. Incorporated in April 2022, NTPC Green is a wholly owned subsidiary of NTPC Limited. The company has a portfolio consisting of solar and wind power assets across 6 Indian states. Let's look at some numbers. By the end of June 2024, the company's portfolio consisted of 14,696 megawatts. And the contracted and awarded projects consist of 31 renewable energy projects across 7 states. And by the end of August 2024, the company's operational capacity stood at 3,071 megawatts from solar projects and 100 megawatts from wind projects. Let's now check out the key financials. Based on these graphs, you can tell that assets, revenue, and profit after tax have all grown in FY24 when compared to FY23. That's enough numbers for now. Let's talk about the IPO. NTPC Green plans to use the IPO proceeds for 2 main objects. The first being an investment in its wholly owned subsidiary, NTPC Renewable Energy Limited, for repayment or prepayment of the borrowings availed by NREL. The second being general corporate purpose. Moving on, here are the major risk factors relating to the IPO. A concentrated pool of power purchasers. Profitability is dependent on the cost and availability of components like solar modules, solar cells, wind turbine generators, etc. Cost overruns and delays in construction activities. Geographical concentration of projects in Rajasthan. Competition from other energy companies. And finally, here are the key details relating to the IPO. What do you think about the IPO? Share your views in the comments below. For more IPO and other market-related updates, watch this space. And it goes without saying, hit that subscribe button in case you haven't already. Happy investing!
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.